Hello friends, you all are again welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss some of the latest current affairs. So, our first question is, Jeremy has won the second gold medal for India in the Commonwealth Games in, the answer is weightlifting. The first medal was won by Mirabai Chanu and the second medal has been won by Jeremy in the Commonwealth Games 2022. He has won the medal in 67 kgs of weight category. He has performed 140 kg in snatch and 160 kg in clean and jerk category. Second question is, India stands second in the world with number of telecom subscribers. The answer is 117 crores. India stands second only to China in number of telecom subscribers. Next question is, rocket CZ-5B which crashed in the Indian Ocean recently was, the answer is, it was a Chinese rocket. The rocket CZ-5B was launched on July 29, which made an uncontrolled return to the Earth and crashed in the Indian Ocean. Next question is, INS Vikrant, which was delivered to Indian Navy recently, was constructed in, the answer is Cochin Shipyard. INS Vikrant is indigenously made aircraft carrier. It is a perfect example of India's Atmanirbhar Bharat policy. Next question is, Himanshu Pathak is recently appointed as Director General of, the answer is Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Himanshu Pathak will succeed Trilochan Mahapatra. Indian Council of Agricultural Research was established on 16 July 1929 and its headquarters are in New Delhi. Next question is, Sanjay Arora has recently been appointed as, the answer is Delhi Police Commissioner. Sanjay Arora is 1988 batch Tamil Nadu cadre IPS officer. He is presently serving as Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Next question is, semiconductor policy was recently unveiled by, the answer is Gujarat government. Gujarat government recently unveiled its semiconductor policy. According to it, it intends to create a semicon city at Dholera near Ahmedabad on 5,000 to 10,000 acres of land. According to the government, it will create approx 2 lakhs new jobs. Next question is, World Ranger Day 2022 was celebrated on, the answer is 31st July. To commemorate the work of rangers in protecting the natural resources, the World Ranger Day is celebrated. The theme of the World Ranger Day 2022 was that rangers are not strangers to nature. Next question is, online cab service Kerala Savari is to be launched by, the answer is Kerala government. Kerala government has started a new service called Kerala Savari. It aims to link the existing taxi service to the online services and aims to provide better service to the passengers. Next question is, new Director General of Press Information Bureau is, the answer is Officer Satyendra Prakash. Officer Satyendra Prakash is 1988 batch Indian Information Service Officer. He will succeed Jaideep Bhatnagar, who superannuated on Sunday. And the last question for today is, Mukhyamantri Mehtari Nyay Rath Yojana has been started in, the answer is Chhattisgarh. The said Rath Yojana has been started to educate women about their constitutional rights and laws. Two attorneys will ride in each chariot, listening to women's complaints and offering them information and counsel. So that's all for today, friends. If you like the video, please share it so that we will be motivated to make such videos in the future also. Thank you.